Using the Be My Eyes app at IKEA with students with visual impairments. So let's go ahead and call our volunteer because we want to know more information about the microwave. I'm going to open Be My Eyes right here.
Be My Eyes.
And then tap call a volunteer, the big blue button. Just tap it. Good. You ready?
Ready.
Finding the first available volunteer.
You put food in the microwave.
All right, so
Trying to find the first available volunteer.
calling his volunteer. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Let's go and find out. Let's go to the microwave. Okay, so ask your question.
What it costs the parts?
The microwave costs $349.
$49. $399.
$349. All right. Red button and hit yes. Thanks for your call. Was it a good call? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hit the yes, thumbs up. Good, good, good.